What's that? Honey.
Fermented honey, I
Oh my
think.
god.
Yeah.
Fermented honey.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh
so
my God.
hard.
Very, very hard.
Very, very hard.
Make hole.
Another hole.
Another hole.
Stretching, stretching.
Stretching.
Little by little. Now making 16,000.
384.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Stretching, stretching.
First, just one,
One, two,
4, and 8, 16, 32,
64.
128,
Yes.
256,
Oh,
512,
512.
little size,
Little size.
1024,
Yeah. Ooh.
calm down.
Not yet.
2048,
2048.
8,000 plus down 16,384. Hey,
Hey. Wow.
Clay.
Kule, kule, kule. Okay, let's go over here.
Let's go, let's go. Divide up.
Divide up, okay?
One more divide up.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Entertaining.
And cooking inside the almond
And-
peanut.
yes,
sesame,
almond peanut.
black sesame. Bola, bola, bola. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Done.
Oh, done.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah. Yummy for your tummy.
Please buy.
We buy already.
Thank you very much. And taste better, frozen much better.
Really?
Yes. Wow. And with the coffee, with the tea.
Huh? Oh, we'll try, okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
Have a nice day.
Enjoy Korea.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye
One
bye.
more try. One more taste.
Oh my god.
Please, pretty, please. Thank you. So delicious.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. Thank
Big
you.
one.
Okay.
Happy, happy, happy.
Oh,
Thank you.
okay.
Tastes like peanut butter.
Check it out.
Check it out.
It's like you have peanut butter, fresh peanut butter in cotton candy, but the cotton candy is not sweet.
Oh, so good. Tastes better now.
Very good. Alright, bye bye. If
What's
you
the
come
name?
to Korea,
Kkul-Tarae.
Oh, Kkul-Tarae.
Yes.
Kkul-Tarae.
Kkul-Tarae.
If you come to Korea, please buy Kkul-Tarae from him.
Yes.
In Insadong.
Yes.
Yes. Buy Kkul-Tarae from this
From
guy.
this guy.
It's very funny. Good guy.
Bye bye.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy. For your tummy.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.